Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technical Subhasish. Today in this video, I will talk about Java data types. So let's start. The data type is defined as the type of data that we use in our program. So it is broadly divided into two types: primitive data type, non-primitive data types. First one is primitive data type. These are called fundamental data types. These are also called built-in data types or intrinsic data type. For example, byte, short, long, int, character, boolean, etc. Then non-primitive data types. These data types are derived from primitive data types. These are also called derived data type or composite data types or reference data types. For example, class, interface, etc. Here you can see a figure on Java data types. Then in figure you can see the primitive is divided into 4 types and non-primitive is divided is of 3 types. Then in primitive it is integer, floating point, character and boolean data types. Now in non-primitive there is classes, arrays and interfaces. So we will discuss one by one. So first one is integer data types. These are used for storing the whole numbers. It is of 4 types: byte, short, int and long, and the size of the data types are mentioned in the. Then next one is floating point data type. These are used for storing the fractional numbers. These are of following types. First one is float. Float can store up to 7 significant digits after the decimal point, and its size is 4 bytes. The second one is double. It can store up to 15 significant digits after the decimal point, and its size is 8 bytes. Then the next one is character data types. This is used to store the characters. This is of two types: single character and string. The single character values are always enclosed with single quotes, and the string values are enclosed with double quotes, like you can see in the screen. Then next one is Boolean data type. This data type is used to store the logical values, that is true or false. We can represent the binary values as the Boolean values, like binary bit 1 is true, 0 is false. So this is all about primitive data types, and we will discuss the non-primitive data types later. The non-primitive data types are class, arrays and interfaces. We will discuss it later in separate videos. So if you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe my channel Technical Subhasish.